What's up, you guys? FSC Speed Shop. I always forget to introduce myself in the vlogs. I am Steve Fesjak. This is Fesjak Speed and Custom Shop. It's been a bit since we've done a trucking vlog video. A bunch of videos I've done recently here is simply repairing Orwell. Bear in mind, I haven't driven Orwell on the road since about mid-November, right before Thanksgiving and before hunting season here in Wisconsin. Everything else has been filmed prior to that, and then of course the repair that I have done to Orwell in that time period, plus the time off between Thanksgiving and Christmas. So with that, let's get ahead and fire it up and get busy. In case you're brand new to the channel, Orwell. Who's Orwell? Orwell is mine. My 1984 Peterbilt 362 Cabover. George Orwell wrote the book. Peterbilt built the truck. And I'm your humble host, Steve Fesjak. Let's go ahead and get started. Today, we're going to go ahead down to the yard, get a trailer, get and pick up 2021's permits, go ahead and get that handled, and then go up to Oshkosh and pick up, supposed to be a Striker 3000. It might change though, I have yet to find out exactly. But that's the plan right now. We'll let it air up, we're gonna back it out and get going. Gotta put my new IFTA stickers on. First time of this year we're running the truck, so gotta clean the old ones off, put them on. Other thing I noticed, this morning it didn't snow up by me, but it snowed here a little bit. My truck's covered in salt. Oh well. comedian Ray Carlisle once made a joke. If the purpose for that is that way they can see if you got it or if you don't. You know, one of the nice things about working where I work, see, I own the truck, but I'm leased onto the company, Widmeyer Express. Nice little things like holiday cards. Happy holidays, it says on the top. And I already opened it. One of the real joys of the holiday season is the opportunity to say thank you and to wish you the very best for the new year, the Widmeyer family. See, Fritz Widmeyer started this company. It's a family-run outfit, even though Fritz is no longer with us, God rest his soul. In that card was an undisclosed amount of money, which is a Christmas gift from the Widmeyer family to all their drivers. One of the few companies that actually take good care of their drivers. Not just the owner-operators, but the company drivers as well. And they don't pit the owner-operators versus the company drivers as well. You don't see that nowadays very often. That's why I've been here for so many years. A subscriber suggested the alteration of a saying. You push that like button, I'll push the brake knobs in. Let's go trucking. I guess I better kick this off. And the hoses are tucked in, so we're good to go there. So I like that fence right there. It's nice and keeps the wind off me. Look at the flag moving. I had a bungee cord the camera down on the back of the truck. Perfect right there, big dog. Nice and easy.
And you know where the battery switch is?
Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'll go kill them.
I like to kill them. Some guys don't know where they're gonna sit for a long period of time. We like to shut them down. You driving it straight there?
Yeah.
Just right here.
Yep. Sweet.
All right. You should be good then.
Absolutely.
Could have been over a little bit, huh?
That's all right. Don't get any wider, no matter how which way it goes. As long as it's on there solid.
All right. Thanks, man.
Excellent.